Introducing the Isuzu FTS, your ultimate workhorse on the road. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. Powerful performance. With its robust engine, the FTS delivers impressive torque and acceleration. Tackling tough terrains? No problem.
7-ton loading capacity. Whether it's heavy cargo or equipment, this truck can handle it all. Load up with confidence.
Fuel efficiency. The FTS is not just powerful, it's also fuel efficient. Say goodbye to frequent pit stops. Reliability. Known for its dependability, the Isuzu won't let you down. It's built to withstand the toughest challenges. Safety first. Equipped with advanced safety features, including anti-lock brakes and stability control, your cruise safety matters. The Isuzu FTS, where strength meets efficiency. Get behind the wheel and experience the difference. And where can you find this powerhouse on wheels? Look no further than Eezy Cars. We've got the Isuzu FTS waiting for you. Visit our showroom today and experience the future of heavy-duty transport. Eezy Cars, your trusted partner for quality trucks.